Hi, welcome to Storytime. This book is Hello Rain, and it's by Kyle McClear and Chris Turnham. This looks good. Let's see what we got. The air is full of waiting, the sky is full of breeze. The trees gust and billow all before it rains. Rumble, rumble, distant thunder. Rain is coming. Rain is coming. Looks like rain's coming, doesn't it? Yep, it's all blustery. Plink, plunk, plunk on the rooftop. Drip, drop, metal mailbox ping. Every rainfall plays a different tune. Listen, listen. Rain, rain, rain. Old raincoat, rubber boots, big umbrella, best umbrella. Let's go outside. Out they go. On the streets, umbrellas bloom around us. A game of hurry. Dash, dart, skitter, scatter. But why hurry when the sky is an adventure? That's right. Why hurry? Deluge, downpour, sprinkle, storm, a drizzle, a mizzle. So many words for rain. Long, thin threads, tiny parachutes, buckets at a time. Out of many drops, one big puddle. That's a good time, jumping in puddles. Curbside waterfall, downhill swoosh, out of many drops, one rushing river. Let's launch the fleet. Yep, you can make boats to go in the rain puddles. Drippy leaf, slippy rock. Here is an earthworm, a sticky snail. Here is a seedling. Even when it pours, the frogs don't hurry or hide. Lots to see there, huh? Hyacinth, foxglove, poppy, yarrow. Down in the dirt, the thirsty roots are drinking. See all those pretty plants? Yep, they're getting watered. Cool rain, fresh rain, a barrel to catch the drops for later. So we can have pink roses, frilly peonies, tangles of vine, bursting pea pods, bright carrots, leafy radishes, plums in the fridge, sweet and cold. One for you, one for me. In a quiet spot, a single drop of rain touches 5 times. A branch, a leaf, an apple, a rock, a blade of grass, before reaching the ground. We crouch under a tree and whisper talk until crack, flash. Oh my goodness, that was quite a scare, wasn't it? Inside, wet socks, drippy pants, shake, shake, shake of rain-drenched fur. Inside, dry and warm, rain trickle flows against the window. Mini rivers, droplets joining, moving down, down, side to side. My goodness. Yeah. Want to play a board game? Want to read a book? Want to build a fort? Naps and secrets are both better when it rains. I wonder how the rain decides how and when to be. I wonder how it decides when to plonk, plunk, plink, stop. Can you smell the grassy sweetness? The ground is glistening green. Butterflies and bugs sip, sip, sip from muddy puddles. Can you hear the chirping birds? Hello, sparrows with your bright sparrow voices. Hello, goldfinches with your sweet, sweet song. Hello, flowers, ripe and rosy. Hello, mushrooms, plump and proud. My goodness, all kinds of things growing, huh? Yeah. Hello, sun. And a beautiful rainbow. That was fun.